Amazing discovery call. The client is perfect, they're excited, you hang up, and then it hits you. Now you have to turn those scribbled notes and that great conversation into a formal proposal. That gap between the great conversation and the polished document, that's where deals can cool off and hours get wasted. What if you could close that gap in minutes instead of hours? Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing workflow. You'll learn how to take your messy post-call notes and use AI to instantly generate a professional, tailored proposal and a matching invoice draft. This isn't just about saving time. It's about looking incredibly professional while doing it. Section 1. Mindset. AI as your business admin assistant. Think of AI in this context as your on-demand business administrator. It's not creating something from nothing. It's structuring and polishing the brilliant agreement you just verbally crafted with your client. You provide the strategy, the pricing, the unique value. AI handles the formatting, the standard clauses, the consistent language. You stay in the driver's seat. Let's use a real example. I'm a freelance graphic designer. I just got off a call with Bella's Bakery. Here are my actual notes from the call. They're messy, but they have all the key info. Section 2. Organizing your messy notes. Step 1 is simple. We don't even touch AI yet. We just make sure our notes have the core components of a proposal. Who, what, scope, timeline, investment. My notes have that, just in a messy way. Now, we feed this to our admin assistant. Section 3. The messy notes to proposal prompt, live demo. This is the magic prompt. We're going to give the AI a clear role, our notes, and a structure to follow. Watch closely. You're a professional business administrator. I need to turn my rough notes from a client discovery call into a formal project proposal. Here are my notes. Please draft a professional proposal that includes the following sections. 1. Client and project overview. 2. Project scope and deliverables. List each clearly. 3. Proposed timeline with key milestones. 4. Investment and payment schedule. 50% deposit, 50% upon completion. 5. Next steps. Use a tone that is professional, friendly, and confident. Look at this. In 30 seconds, chaos has become clarity. It took my bullet 3 logo concepts and turned it into delivery of 3 initial logo concepts for client review. That's professional language I might have spent 10 minutes trying to word right. It even added things I didn't explicitly state, but are standard, like a project kickoff meeting under next steps. This is the admin work I don't have to think about now. Section 4. Generating a matching invoice draft. Now let's get paid. While the proposal details are fresh, we generate a matching invoice draft using the same information. This ensures perfect consistency. Based on the proposal above, create a draft invoice for the 50% deposit. Include my business name and details. Use your business name. Client name, Bella's Bakery. Invoice number. Use INV 2026-1001. A clear description of the deposit for the logo and packaging design project. The amount, $1,250. Payment terms, due upon receipt. And there it is, a ready-to-send invoice. 2 critical business documents, drafted in under 2 minutes total. Now comes the most important step. Section 5. The critical human review and personalization. This is where you, the business owner, take control. You must review and personalize every word. 1. Adds a personal line in the overview. I'm so excited to help bring Bella's vision for a modern, cozy brand to life. 2. Adjust a timeline milestone to reflect their actual availability. 3. Adds a specific clause about number of revision rounds. Add your personal touch, your specific terms, and double-check all numbers and dates. The AI gave you a 95% complete first draft. You add the final 5% that makes it yours and legally sound. This review takes 5 minutes, not an hour of drafting. Section 6. Your new client onboarding workflow. Here's your new, stress-free workflow after any client call. 1. Jot down notes. Just get the key points. Who, what, scope, timeline, 2. Use the magic prompt. Paste notes into the AI to generate proposal draft. 3. Spin off the invoice. Use the follow-up prompt for the deposit invoice. 4. Personalize and send. Add your voice, check details, and hit send while the momentum is high. Your action step: create your messy notes to proposal prompt template. Use mine from the description, customize it with your standard sections, and save it in a doc. Have it ready for your next call. Conclusion: I put the exact prompts for both the proposal and the invoice in the description. They're yours. Want to supercharge this? My small business AI toolkit packs over 150 prompt templates to instantly elevate your content. Grab the link in the description and check it out at your pace. In the comments, tell me what service you'll use this proposal trick for first. Next, we're shifting from internal tasks to external strategy. I'll show you how to use AI as your market research assistant to understand competitors and customers without spending a fortune. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.